Hi everyone, this is Joanna. Welcome to my channel. This is Get Ready With Me. This look, just concealer, lippy, blush, bronzer and a liquid eye shadow because it's so hot. And if you want to be sweat proof in the hot weather, you can't pack your face up with loads of stuff. So if you like what you see, keep on watching. So I have already put my The Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors HA, which is like a moisturizing cream. Ooh, yeah, and I've put that on my face. And now I'm going to move on to simple things. My hair is up. It's like 32 degrees. It's so hot. Ignore the background decoration. It's just things we need to get rid of. But anyway, so concealer, Estee Lauder. I cannot see what it is, but if you can, this is my number. And I'm just going to apply it on places that need concealing. So just spots and a little bit of redness here around the nose, on the top of my lip, yeah, just a bit, and then just a little bit at the top of my forehead. Then I'm going to get my H&M Beauty Sponge because I forgot mine at home, so I just need to use this, and I'm going to dab the concealer into my face because it's so hot and I don't feel like wearing foundation. Just a bit of concealer. It's when it's too hot, you can't wear a ton of stuff, so you just go with whatever makes you feel lightweight. And anyway, so I did use a little bit of concealer, but you can still see the redness. I do not have a problem with that. I prefer that than, you know, seeing sweating my face off. So I'm going to use my Forever and Ever Dior, what is this called? It's the Dior Skin Forever and Ever Control in 001. I really like this translucent powder. I'm just going to pat this into my face so it can just dry my face up a bit so I don't sweat too much. I am going to sweat, but not too much. So just dabbing that in. Dun. And then my bronzer, and I forgot my bronzer brush. So the bronzer I'm using is the Bronze 02 Laura Mercier. This is what it looks like up close, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on the side. Oh, I'm scared because I'm using a different brush. Okay, a little bit on this side. Did you see my phone? I don't know what you're seeing. So just putting the bronzer on, onto my face up a little bit, the top of my head, just a bit of bronzer, and there on the side. Okay, then I'm going to go for my blusher, which is Gold Rush from Benefit. This is what it looks like, and just at the top, smile, another smile, a little dab, sorry, not smile, dab. Yep. Now the thing I've noticed is that I'm not sweating too much. I think it's because I haven't covered my face in everything. Now I am going to use my NYX eyeshadow primer. So it's this. I'm just going to put a little bit on my eyelids, just a bit, just to have something so that my liquid eyeshadow goes on well. And I'm just putting it all over the eyelid just to cover it and just make it smooth. Okay. Now, let's move on. Stila liquid eyeshadow in Grace. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. I don't wear this often. I just want to wear it tonight. I'm just going to apply a little bit. Now, it might turn out to be a disaster. So let's go. I'm putting a bit on my eyelid. A bit on the other eyelid. I always forget the inner corner. So I'm going to try to make sure that I get that. Now, because I can't see and I probably look like a clown at the moment, I'm going to try to even things out and then I'll get back to you. So, I used my MAC blending brush and I just put a little bit more, and I think my blending brush had a little bit of eyeshadow on it, so it looks a bit smoky-ish. Anyway, we'll just go with the flow. What can you do? Shit happens. And then I'm going to use a little bit of my Becca highlighter. Top here, a bit here. And my Lash Paradise mascara. And I like this mascara, but it gets clumpy very quickly. I've got you on my computer screen monitor, so that's where the mobile phone is sitting at the moment. And just a bit more. Here. And last but not least, my Rimmel Pink Blink Liquid Lippy. Something simple and not too much, because my eyes are already too much. And let me just run my, I always do that. On my finger around my lips just to make sure that I haven't. Yep. And just my eyebrows, pull my hair down, put my glasses on, and there you have it, guys. Ah! I don't know what my eyes look like because I can't see them. But anyway, this is a real thing. Hang on, let's just see. Do they look? Well, I think this one has a bit more eyeshadow than this one, but I think a lot. Probably looks terrible. Well, I don't know. These are the products I use, and yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.